I am not a financial advisor. The content in this video is presented solely for informational and entertainment purposes. Please consult with a financial advisor before attempting any side hustle or business venture. With that said, enjoy the video. What is shoe reselling? Shoe reselling is the process of buying sneakers or other shoe-related items at a discounted price and then selling them for a profit. It can be done online or through consignment stores. Reselling has become increasingly popular in recent years as more and more people have discovered how to make a profit by flipping shoes and other items. There are several things to consider when reselling sneakers, such as the current market value of the shoe, the cost of shipping, and whether or not to include taxes in the asking price. How to know if the shoes are profitable. The world of reselling can be a lucrative one, and when it comes to shoes, there is always a high demand. But how do you know which shoes to buy in order to resell them for a profit? And once you've found some potential candidates, how can you tell if they are actually worth your time and money? One way to determine whether or not shoes are worth buying for resale is by checking eBay's completed listings. This will give you an idea of the going rate for the shoes in question, as well as how much people are willing to pay for them. Another thing to keep in mind is whether or not the shoes are in high demand. If there is a limited supply and a high demand, then the shoes are likely to sell for more than those that are readily available. How to prepare your shoes for shipping. Packing your shoes for shipping is easy. You will need some packing supplies, including packing peanuts, bubble wrap, and a box that is slightly larger than your shoes. Start by wrapping the bubble wrap around your shoes. You want to make sure to cover the entire shoe, including the heel and toe. Then, fill the bottom of the box with packing peanuts. Add your wrapped shoes and more packing peanuts until the box is full. Make sure there is at least 1 to 2 inches of space between the top of your shoes and the lid of the box. Close the lid and tape it shut. Your shoes are now ready for shipping. Online platforms to sell shoes. There are a few platforms that people use when reselling shoes. The first and most popular platform is eBay. eBay is great because it has a large audience and it is easy to create a listing. However, there are fees associated with using eBay, so it can be expensive for the seller. Another platform that people use for shoe resale is OfferUp. OfferUp, formerly known as LetGo, is a free app that is available on both Android and iOS devices. It allows people to buy and sell items locally, and it has a large audience as well. The last platform that we will discuss is Mercury. Mercury is another free app that is available on both Android and iOS devices. It allows people to buy and sell items online, and it has a large audience as well. In conclusion, reselling shoes can be a lucrative business venture. By knowing what shoes are profitable to sell and how to prepare them for shipping, anyone can start their own online shoe resale business. There are many online platforms that allow sellers to list their shoes for sale, so there is no shortage of potential buyers. So, if you have a passion for fashion and are looking for a new way to make money, consider starting a shoe reselling business. Thanks for watching. Until next time, this has been the Cyberspace Nomad, and I'm signing off.